Hello there everyone. Guys, I just literally woke up. I found two pieces of data that was sent to me and I just could not hold it back then to run to my whatever travel trading slash YouTube station here while we were traveling. I mean, I had to leave my trading floor behind in Dubai. We're gonna be traveling for a few months now, so I hope you guys are fine with it. And I just had to record the video because there's two pieces of data right now, guys. They just made me buy more Bitcoin. Honestly, like today, this morning, I had some USDT laying around on Bybit, and I bought myself 5 more Bitcoin. Not that very much, but still adding to my long-term portfolio bit by bit and step by step. And I guarantee you that by the end of this video, you're gonna do the same. Because a lot of people, a lot of naysayers, a lot of haters, a lot of people who are just brain dead will actually miss out on the hugest opportunity ever, in my personal humble opinion. And it's not just me saying this. Please, I urge you, watch this video till the end and you will understand exactly what the hell I'm talking about. So quickly, before we move to those two pieces of data, let's just quickly take care of the technicals that we're seeing right now. And actually, we're still standing at this very important resistance. I mean, if we're gonna go to a smaller time frame, we're gonna see that we had this we were actually squeezing a very important resistance level of 26,800. We tried to break it, but then we got pushed down, so we were still consolidating and not doing very much, so it's quite boring. And our main resistance right now actually is right here, 27k. I would say, like, well, the smallest one is 26.8 and then 27, and if we actually are able to clear it with some volume, then it's going to activate this pattern, which is going to land us with a target of about 32,000. And if we're going to go to the weekly chart, then you're going to see that the volatility is shrinking like crazy because we are in between two main resistances and one main support. So we have this resistance of 27, and then we have the support of all the EMA ribbons. So all the moving averages are just coinciding right here. And remember, the last time we broke above it was back in 2020 before the bull market began. So just technically, this just shows us very bullish momentum. And certainly for this reason, until we break below like 25 and then potentially go into the retest mode of this level right here, which is just a level of this whole uptrend, in my opinion, which is coming in at about 24k and then lastly like 23k, then we're still in this uptrend. So, and it is still looking okay. So, and for this reason, I'm still keeping my long trade open, even though we have a small loss of about 10k. And a lot of people were laughing in the last video. Guys, I'm not sure what the hell is there to laugh about unless you're dumb and you haven't been watching my videos and you haven't seen, for example, a $115,000 profit that we've taken previously and all the other profits we've taken this year. Not every trade is a profit, but we're making a shit ton of money here overall on average. What is there to laugh about? Maybe you should be actually paying attention to all of my videos and watching all of my videos, and then you actually will learn something. So that's just my honest suggestion. So anyway, so this is basically our most important targets right now, and this is just the technicals. So, and this also is what a lot of people are starting to see, that what we're seeing right now on the left, we have this wedge, and we have this RSI breakout to the upside, and this is the same thing we've actually seen in 2020 before the bull market started. We also had this wedge, we also had this RSI breakout just like here, which actually led, and again, this would be the target of like 32k, what I just showed you, with also the technical targets, and then potentially a correction because of it, and then the bull market comes. So again, these models, I don't really like that very much. I actually like what I'm about to show you, and what I'm about to show you is actually what matters. And remember, guys, I'm trading over on Bybit, and if you want an exchange that you can trust, that doesn't have any stupid FUD about it, then use my link down in the description of this video and claim up to $30,000 with Bybit. But you can also pause the video and take a look at all other bonuses. You get a shit ton of bonuses using my link. And also, if they require KYC, so if you cannot pass KYC for whatever reason, or you want, for example, a 10% cashback on your trading fees, then you can use my exclusive link down in the description of this video to BitGet. But BitGet gives only up to $8,000 in initial deposit bonuses, but it requires no KYC, and you can get up to 10% cashback on your trading fees credited straight to your spot account, which is really cool. And it's available only with my link. So now, what I really want to show you is not this. What I really want to show you is also not this. But this is something, it's a precursor to what I'm about to show. And guys, honestly, it's crazy. So let's just jump straight into this. I've discussed this already, that BlackRock has filed for a spot Bitcoin ETF, whatever. And we've seen what happens to assets once an ETF is available. They just skyrocket. But what we haven't seen and what I haven't told you yet is this right here. As Andrew Kang has actually posted, Bitcoin filing for Bitcoin spot ETF, BlackRock has a 99.8, wake up right now, 99.8% approval track record. And this, as he says, this is the most positive news we've had in a while, potentially opening floodgates to tens of billions of dollars of money flow. Guys, this is something I didn't know. This is insane. BlackRock actually, as it turns out, has a 99.8% approval track record for the stuff that they apply for. This is absolutely ridiculous. And remember, why is this so important? Let's have a look at this chart. This is the gold chart. This is the gold price in 2003, and this is when this was before the gold ETF, and this is when the gold ETF was actually approved, and the price was like $10,000 per kilo, and then this propelled the gold price all the way to $60,000 per kilo. Now imagine this. It did this 450% return, and if an ETF was capable of propelling Bitcoin to show a return of 450%, imagine what it's gonna do to Bitcoin. Why I'm saying this? Well, remember, what was the actual market cap of gold in 2003? Gold has been existing out there for thousands of years. The actual market cap of gold has always been ridiculous, much bigger than we have in Bitcoin right now. So this could be 1000% return on Bitcoin. If this, I mean, this is just numbers. This is just simple mathematics. This is just simple proof of what is potentially to come with a 99.8% chance. Guys, I mean, this is insane. Now, this is not all. Let me show you one more piece of absolutely insane data. And this is here. And this is not by some, I don't know, weird reporter or something. This is Forbes, okay? So, and it says right here, forget the Fed. And even though, like, I mean, I still think that Fed is very important, liquidity in the United States, printing of money, etc. But remember, US is important, but so is China. And I mean, I've spoken about this on my YouTube channel as well before. China is gearing up to rip in trillions of dollars as the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Tron, Polygon, blah, blah, blah. When we are saying volatility and swinging in all these coins, what China is doing is what actually matters. Guys, let's have a look. China has said we're going to start to rip in trillions of dollars. And let's take a look deeper. So if China starts to basically turn on the money printer, and this is what they're getting ready to do, and go through a huge spate of quantitative easing, it's going to just inflate everything because they're just such a critical artery to the world's economy. This week, China's State Council, wake up once again, guys, ladies and gentlemen, announced it's considering an economic package to support its warning post-pandemic recovery, designed to expand the effective demand, according to a statement released by state news agency Xinhua. You can't have a hard landing when China is printing trillions of dollars. Simply not possible. I mean, this is a fresh article. This is from, let's check together. This is June 2018 of this year. So this, if they're going to be releasing this bill, releasing this stimulus in combination with a 99.8% chance of a Bitcoin spot ETF, because BlackRock is moving in. BlackRock knows something. They know how to make this shit happen. Guys, do you really care that when you buy Bitcoin currently, if in a short-term perspective, if it could potentially, just with full disclosure, who knows, okay, we go down to 23K, 25. When I look at the dollars in my account, I worry more because I know the dollar is going in one direction. It's going down. In terms of the buying power, inflation, it's not coming back. Ever. When with Bitcoin, yeah, we might have some volatility. It can go in the fucking circles. Who cares? But what we do understand by looking at these things that I've just presented, what we do understand is that long-term perspective is only one direction. And that one direction, guys, is actually up. So this is all you need to understand. And I'm pretty sure we are on the brink of something huge. So therefore, I'm still waiting for this breakout to happen. to the upside, well, I'm gonna keep you guys updated, so subscribe and hit that notification bell. Certainly this can take some time to play out, this as well as this, so it's not in one day. When it comes, and we will know about it. So I'm accumulating right now. And guys, check out this quick tutorial if you want to learn how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management and proper strategies. Also join Bybit and BitGet, all the links to awesome bonuses down in the description of this video. And as always, peace and love, Tom Scrollo, stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.